Hey guys, I hope you all had a great week. Today I'm going to be sharing something a little bit different on the channel. I'm going to be working with this mini book kit from Everyday Explorers. It just came out. It will have been yesterday, Tuesday. You can check it out on Christine's website, everydayexplorers.co, and you can also check out the rest of her release for this month. So Christine was nice enough to send me this kit ahead of the release to play with a little bit, and I made a couple projects. I have this page and then I have another one which I'll share maybe next week. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, so let's get into it. Basically, she has this new mini kit that just came out, and I think each month has like a different theme, and for this month it was places. So I took this as an opportunity to use some of my extra photos that I've printed out for my Project Life pages, and just kind of use them in a mini book, which is what I usually do with my extra photos. These pictures are from Hawaii. I figured, which place do I miss the most right now? And it's usually between Hawaii and Disney. And I haven't done too much Hawaii scrapbooking, so I was really excited to get into this one. Especially because it's like been getting a little warmer around here, and it just makes me miss summer and traveling and stuff. But yeah, so for this page, it's like a 2-page spread. I wanted to use all these pictures, and I kind of went for like a photo strip kind of vibe with the way I'm arranging them on the left side page, the left page. Yeah. I'm just gonna trim all these down and hopefully just have a nice strip of photos. I really love that it's also bright and blue and just really summery and gives you all those really nice vacation vibes. So while I'm figuring out all the arrangement for the photos on this page, I'll tell you a little bit about this kit. So pretty much everything I'm using aside from inks are from this kit. It's all included. It comes with the book, it comes with the stamps, and it comes with all the stickers and stuff I'm going to use. So it's really great if you just need something easy to put your pages together. This would also be really good if you're one of those people who are really good at scrapbooking while you're on vacation, which I've always wanted to be, but I never have the time because I'm on vacation. But if you wanted to do like a little photo journal, if you had like an Instax camera or one of those Instax printers and stuff, I feel like that'd be really fun to do on vacation, just to like reflect on your day. But these would be really cool for that because you pretty much have everything you need saved for like an ink pad. So, and like scissors and stuff like that. But yeah, I think I'm pretty much happy with how this looks now. I'm just trimming off the excess photo on the top of the page. Now I'm going to work on the other side of the page. So I'm going to be using the stamp set that comes in the kit. There's a lot of really cute sentiments on here, lots of really cute little graphics, which I always love. I tend to gravitate more toward like the little detailed bits and pieces on stamp sets than the big, large sentiments. But yeah, so the title of this page is basically going to be places. So I like the stamp set because it has place as a big one, as a big stamp, and then you can add the S after the fact in case you needed place or places. So that's really nice. I'm just testing the stamp first. I always like to test my big stamp sentiments first to make sure that like I'm applying the right amount of pressure, that my ink is distributed well before I commit and put it on the actual page. And I decided to use this, it's like a bright blue gel pen from Muji. I really only had these Muji gel pens for like my planner and stuff, but I found this while I was making this page, and I thought the blue would be a really good way to bring some of the blue over from the left-hand side of the layout to the right. I'm just doing some extra little journaling and titling type stuff there. And this kit has a bunch of different little elements you can use, like stickers and some like labels that you can cut out, so you have a lot of stuff to work with. I really love that Love This sticker strip there. I threw it on that left side page, but you'll see I end up changing it a little bit, but you know, that's okay. And just please excuse my head taking up half the screen right now. This happens whenever I journal. I think because whenever I'm like writing a bunch of stuff, I'm hunched over like I'm an elementary school child writing in class, like over their desk. So yeah, I don't know why I do that, but every time. And for my journaling, I'm just kind of noting a couple of our favorite places when we went to Hawaii. We went to Aulani, which is our favorite. It's a Disney resort actually that they have in Oahu, and of course we had to stay there. And it was just so nice and had like subtle Disney theming, which we loved. And then we didn't stay at Kualoa Ranch. We went to Kualoa Ranch, which is like just this place. You probably know it as the place in Hawaii where they shoot a bunch of movies, and they shot like Lost there and Jurassic Park. So we did a tour there and saw all the different filming sites, which was really cool. It was we did a ton of touristy things. So yeah. And then the third place I noted was any place that would sell me a shave ice, because I had, I think, almost one every single day we were there because I have a problem. But oh my god, what I would do for some shave ice right now. And I'm really bummed for some reason this like skipped part of what I was filming in that right-hand corner, that bottom right-hand corner of the right-hand page. So basically I took one of the labels that had like destination and just did some journaling there, just noted where we were, Oahu, Hawaii, January 2020. And then there was like a bucket list bucket list sticker that I just put right behind it. And I'm just going in with a couple of stamps from the stamp set, just like a little flag on the right-hand corner and then that little geotag on the left side. And with that, I think we're pretty much done with this process video. Detail shots are coming up. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. I will link the kit down below if you're interested in checking it out. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe to me on my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.